Before we start, I would like to say that I'm not sponsored by the Woobles nor Sanrio to review this product, or am I being paid by the Woobles or Sanrio to review this product. All opinions are my own. Hi everybody, it's Mena. Welcome back to my channel, or if this is the very first video, excuse me. Sorry, I'm watching my aunt and uncle's dogs, so I'm just making sure they follow the rules. But anyway, today in this video, I'm going to be doing a Woobles review, and before I get started, I'm not sponsored nor am I being paid by the Woobles to review this product. All opinions are my own. And today I'm going to be reviewing cinnamon roll. So I'm really not sure what cinnamon roll is, so if you guys know, please let me know. I'm assuming he's a bunny rabbit. So this is what he looks like. He or she. I don't even know if it's a boy or a girl. If you guys know what gender cinnamon roll is, please let me know. So this is what she looks like. She's got a little like cinnamon bun tail on the back. Cinnamon roll like tail on the back. She's really, really cute. This kit also was pretty easy. I just got it done in one day. I had so much fun with it. It was really the directions were really easy to follow. And oh, I forgot to mention, I'm not sponsored by the Woobles, nor am I being paid by the Woobles to review this product. All opinions are my own. And also, I'm not sponsored by Sanrio, nor am I being paid by Sanrio to review this product. All opinions are my own. So sorry, I forgot to put that, to mention that. And I apologize for the background noise. I'm watching the dogs. So she was really, really easy, super fun. I got her done pretty much in a day. And her ears were really fun to make. I like how they gave her blue eyes instead of black. If you guys know the Woobles, a lot of the Woobles have like black eyes and stuff. So I love how they changed this one up and put blue eyes for her instead of black. And I think that's super cool. And I love her little pink cheek detailing. That's just adorable. And this overall was super easy, super quick, and really, really fun. So I would recommend the cinnamon roll kit. Oh, I forgot to mention, I'll put the link in the description box down below if you want to see it. So I would recommend cinnamon roll to anyone who's new to crochet, because this is really beginner friendly. Easy instructions to follow. And I also recommend it if you like Sanrio. And I hope you guys check this kit out for yourselves. I'll link it in the description box. So that was my review on cinnamon roll by the Woobles. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. I post Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and I'll see you in another video soon. I forgot to say bye.